Beginning programming in college. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I had a thought of doing this video because there are probably a lot of college students getting started because it's fall and you have absolutely no idea where to start. So I just kind of want to highlight some of the things that are on this channel. First of all, there are over, this video will be 1,043. So it covers absolutely everything. And if you're on a desktop, actually I recommend you being on a desktop watching this because you're able to then search easier for specific videos that you're interested in. And if you don't know where to start, there are some live streams that I did that were concatenations of all my beginning videos. But if you do happen to go and start with episode 1, please bear in mind that that was over 6 years ago and the quality of video is not that good, but it covers all the bases. It starts with strings and integers and floats and what they are and how they react differently in the world, and then we go through some range functions, what a list is, what are dictionaries, and we talk about the type of variables, the type of objects, and things like that. So this is a channel that has absolutely everything you need to know. We talk about nested for loops, how to go through and really think through a problem, and in the later videos we really talk about algorithmic design. Somewhere in the middle we talked about functional programming, what that does, what that means. But there is a video for everything that you are trying to find, I promise you. And if by chance there is a video that you cannot find that you need a topic on, please drop a comment down below. But also, more important, there is a Discord server down in the description of the video that you can join, and we have a growing community over there, and it is just absolutely 100% supportive. If you have a question you're trying to work on, that is actually the best place to communicate, because I or someone else will be more than happy to help you with that. So I just wanted to do this video real quick today, because if you're beginning your programming journey, I know what it feels like. It's overwhelming. You read it, you think you know it, and then you see the question and you just are like, what just happened? I really thought I understood this. So it's a journey, it's a process of learning programming. It's not, there are steps in evolution that you go through. So everybody does it. The speed in which you go through those steps of evolution are different for everybody, but it's the same steps. It's at the pace you can move. It's same number of steps, just how quickly can I get through them. So just wanted to share that. But real quick video of this week, and we will pick back up next week with our end of game algorithm. But I thought, with this being the beginning of September, I'd been wanting to make this video for a while with the fall starting. So just thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. And again, please drop any comments, questions, video requests, like and subscribe. This channel is to help you become more comfortable with programming, because the faster you get comfortable, the more elaborate these problems that you're able to solve. So there we go, guys. Thanks for everything. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.